Welcome to Journey with Nature, brought to you by the Nature Conservancy, celebrating 50 years of conservation in Indiana. I'm Michael Atwood. An 8-point white-tailed deer eyed the forest from a recently harvested cornfield, seeming to admire the massive trees standing in stark contrast to corn stubble. Shoe-marred, pin and swamp white oaks stand like centuries in Kramer woods, unconcerned with the numerous woodpecker holes that puncture their exteriors. This swampy old-growth forest, situated among agricultural fields in the fertile Ohio River floodplain, acts as a sponge, absorbing water and wildlife. A forest of this caliber is an anomaly in any setting, but in the rich soil of the Ohio River Valley, clearing the land to farm was a necessity for a better life in the 1800s. Consider it good fortune that a German immigrant amassed enough land in Spencer County that this forest was spared. Helen Kramer, whose grandfather managed the 200-acre forest starting in the 1870s, gave the land to the Nature Conservancy in 1998. The area's rich German heritage is reflected in this dedicated state nature preserve's name. Poison ivy is an abundant resident of the Kramer Woods understory, as is spicebush, jewelweed, and green dragon. Kramer Woods has been designated as a National Natural Landmark. It offers a glimpse into the Indiana of frontier days and remains a fine example of the Kramer family's vision for preserving a remnant of southern Indiana's rich bottomland forests.
Journey with Nature is made possible by the Nature Conservancy of Indiana. More information about Kramer Woods in Spencer County is available at nature.org/Indiana.